Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can draw in Canva, so let's get right into it. Now, there are a couple of things that you can do in Canva. You can add elements, you can add your templates from Canva if you want to, you can add images, etc, but you can also draw and write using your mouse, which is very interesting, and you can do a lot of different things with it. Now, what you want to do to actually draw is go, once you're in a project, it can be blank, it can be not blank, it can be anything. You just go to the left toolbar, go into draw, and it's sort of this like squiggly line with a pencil drawn. Then you select what you want to draw with, either a marker or a pencil or a highlight marker or whatever this is. I'm pretty sure that, okay, that's the eraser. You just select whatever you want, click on the screen, and then start drawing. You can also select the color that you want. For example, let's say a red pencil, or for example a purple marker. For some reason it doesn't select, but yeah, you can go to the purple marker. You can also select the cursor and move the objects around the actual space, or the canvas, I guess you could call it. And yeah, that is pretty much how you draw in Canva. That's all there is. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.